Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make the predator noise from the movies Predator, Predators, Alien vs. Predator. There's a couple more out there, I'm not sure what they are. So basically, all you need to know to do is kind of be able to make a noise like this. And then, like, you have to take that and it has to be like a softer version of that. So, like, only let air out of the back of your throat, and it'll come out sort of like this. And that's how you make the predator noise. Thanks for watching.